We live in a world where yes is the default answer. From student loans to rising rent, we're constantly spending to keep up. Social media pressures us to live a life that looks good rather than feels good. But all these yeses come with a cost we rarely calculate. Saying no is hard because we're afraid. Afraid to let others down, afraid to miss out, afraid we'll seem selfish or rude. But every yes to something unimportant is a no to something that truly matters, like your financial freedom or peace of mind. We trade long-term gain for short-term comfort. There's a hidden price for being a people pleaser. You say yes to unpaid favors, overspending to fit in, and taking on too many commitments. Slowly, your goals get buried under everyone else's priorities. That's not generosity. That's self-sabotage in disguise. Great CEOs know the power of no. They're not the busiest, they're the most intentional. They protect their time, their energy, and their money by choosing their yeses very wisely. You don't need to be ruthless to succeed, just more selective. What if I told you the secret to financial freedom isn't about what you earn? It's about what you refuse. I'm Max, your host at Max Focus, where we help you rewire your mind and redesign your life. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. This channel is all about empowering your financial journey. Quick heads up, this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Today, we'll dive into how the simple act of saying no can transform your financial life, just like a CEO. This video is called The Financial Power of Saying No, a CEO's Habit. Stay till the end. I'll share a practical framework you can use starting today. Imagine your bank account like a giant water tank high on a mountain. Every time you say yes to something unnecessary, it's like opening a valve. Bit by bit, the water drains. Before you know it, the tank is empty and you're wondering where all your money went. When you say yes to dinner out, maybe you're saying no to your emergency fund. Say yes to an impulse buy, and you might be saying no to your long-term goals. Every yes has an invisible trade-off. It's called opportunity cost and it adds up fast. CEOs don't make decisions just on how they feel in the moment. They ask, what's the return on this? If it doesn't give results, it's a no. That mindset protects their time and money, and it can work for you too. Now imagine if you treated your own choices like a business. Would you still say yes to everything? Or would you start being more selective, choosing what really moves your life forward? Saying no might just be your best money strategy yet. We often say yes because we don't want to miss out. Whether it's a party, a deal, or an opportunity, that fear of regret tugs at us hard. But this habit can lead us far from the path we actually want. Choosing everything can mean choosing nothing. Sometimes we say yes just to avoid making others uncomfortable. Whether it's attending a birthday dinner or donating when asked, it's easy to give in. But those quick approvals rarely bring deep satisfaction. You end up losing your own time, energy, and focus. Every yes to others might be a silent no to your future self. We rarely realize the cost of constantly giving our time away. But those small moments add up and pull us off course. Saying no is really about saying yes to what truly matters. Impulse spending gives us a quick thrill. That dopamine hit feels great, but then the bill arrives. One tiny yes to something flashy today could echo through months of stress. Learning to pause, breathe, and question is a financial superpower. Sometimes the most powerful move is saying no. We all get tempted by quick wins or popular choices. But those yeses can become distractions. True growth often comes from the opportunities we walk away from. A CEO once turned down $1 million partnership. Everyone said he was crazy, but it didn't match his long-term vision. 1 year later, he launched his own product and owned 100% of it. Sometimes, turning down a shiny deal is how you build a legacy. Sarah, a young professional, said no to distractions. No to weekend parties, no to impulse shopping. In just 1 year, she paid off $15,000 in debt and started saving for her dreams. Her no led her to a life-changing yes. So ask yourself this: what are you saying yes to that's slowing you down? Not every opportunity is meant for you. The power of no isn't rejection, it's redirection. Your future deserves your focus. Imagine your budget like a yard. Without a fence, anything can wander in: friends, random expenses, distractions. But when you build a fence, you're protecting your priorities. It's not about restriction, it's about control. Saying no to friends or family doesn't make you a bad person. It just means you're honoring your financial plan. A simple phrase like, "It's not in my budget right now," can go a long way. Clear, kind, and powerful. Your time is your money. Saying no to meetings you don't need or distractions that drain you gives you space to grow your business. Every no, say yes to something more important. Protect your focus like a treasure. When you say no consistently and with confidence, people start to understand your priorities. You don't need to explain yourself every time. Just stand firm with grace. Respect follows clarity. Every decision is a doorway. Max learned early on that if an opportunity doesn't align with his future dreams, it's probably a no. It doesn't mean it's bad, just not for his path. Saying no clears space for the right yes. Max never makes big decisions on impulse. He gives himself 24 hours. In that time, the hype fades, and he hears his real voice. It's how he avoids regret and emotional traps. Time, energy, and money are like fuel for your rocket. Max knows that if a decision drains too much of one without a strong return, it's a no-go. He's learned to count the cost, not just in dollars, but in peace of mind. Smart decisions keep him flying. Max uses a simple 3-question test before saying yes. Is it aligned with my purpose? Will it compound over time? Can I afford it without sacrifice? If it's 3 yeses, it's a green light. Sometimes the hardest part is starting small. Say no to the daily $7 coffee or that extra streaming app. These may seem tiny, but each no builds strength. Just like training a muscle, your discipline grows with every rep. Saying no on the spot can feel awkward. That's why having go-to phrases helps. Something like "let me think about it" gives you breathing room and control. It turns a pressured moment into a planned response. Know your danger zones ahead of time. If you always give in to sales or lend money you can't afford, make a no list. Write those traps down and pre-decide your answer. It's easier to stay strong when you've already made the call. Every time you say no to protect your priorities, you win. These moments may feel small, but they stack up. Track each one like a victory. Because in your story, every no is a powerful step toward freedom. Saying no isn't just about skipping lattes or sales. It's about setting boundaries that shape your future. Like a snowball rolling down a mountain, your consistent no grows into something powerful. Over time, that tiny act builds momentum and becomes a force you can't ignore. Most people think success starts with a lucky break, but it usually begins with discipline. Saying no to impulse spending is how most debt-free stories begin. They chose delayed gratification over instant pleasure. That's how real freedom is built, one quiet no at a time. Financial peace isn't just about the numbers in your bank account. It means fewer sleepless nights, better conversations at dinner, and real mental space to breathe. When you're not constantly stressed about money, your whole life feels lighter. Saying no buys you peace. Every time you say no to what doesn't serve you, you open the door to something greater. Those little no's make room for your biggest yes. Yes to freedom. Yes to time. Yes to peace of mind. It's not just what you say no to, it's what you gain in return. This is how you build the life you truly want. Quick recap. We explored how the simple habit of saying no can transform your finances, your focus, and your freedom. Key takeaway: every no you say to distraction, debt, and pressure is a powerful yes to your long-term vision. If this video helped shift your mindset, like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs this today. Tell us, what's one thing you're going to say no to this week? Let's talk in the comments. This is Max Focus, and our mission is simple: rewire your mind, redesign your life. Remember, the road to wealth isn't paved with more, it's protected by less. Say no to no's, yes to clarity. Until next time, take care and keep investing. Not just your money, but your mindset.